All right, here's another kind of common problem you'll find when you're dealing with midpoints, is that given one endpoint and the midpoint of a segment, where's the other endpoint? And you could set up some complicated equations for this type of thing, but I think it's easier just kind of work with a table. Here's what I mean by that. Okay? So I've got an XY table, and I got -7, -8 for one point, and I've got 1, 8 for my midpoint. Now remember, the midpoint is halfway between, the x-coordinate for the midpoint is halfway between the x-coordinates of the two endpoints. The y-coordinate of the midpoint is halfway between the y-coordinates of the two endpoints. So what I have to do is see how far is it from -7 to 1, and that's 8. And then how far is it from -8 to +8, and that is 16. So then I just need to continue and do that again. 8, another 16, and that's going to give me 9. And see, 8 plus 16 is 24. 9, 24. Right. Let's take a look at another one. Here, I've got xy of 10, 0, and the midpoint is -8, 9. So from 10 to -8 is going actually down 18. Minus 18. Over here from 0 to 9, that is plus 9. So if I repeat that and I go minus another 18 and plus another 9 over here, -8 take away 18 is -26, and 9 plus 9 is 18. Take a look at another one. Oh, let's pause for a sec. Okay. Well, we got our XY coordinates here. The endpoint is -3, 0. The midpoint is 5, 10. So that's from -3 to 5 is plus 8. And from 0 to 10 is plus 10. So let's see. If I go up another 8, I get to 13, and up another 10 gives me 20. Here, I've got xy. So I got 6, -9, and I've got -3, 0. So let's see, from 6 to -3 is down 9, and from -9 to 0 is up 9. So if I go down another 9 from -3, I get -12. If I go up another 9 from 0, I get +9. So -12, +9. Here I've got xy. I've got 8, 4, and I've got 8, -4. Notice that over 8, these 2 points are the same x-coordinates, so they're right on top of each other. So the change is plus 0. And here, from 4 to -4, is down 8. So another change of 0 still leaves us at 8, and down another 8 would give us -12. So 8, -12. Here, you've got -6, 3, and 7, -6. So from -6 to 7 is plus 13, and from 3 to -6 is down 9. Plus another 13 would land us at 20, and down another 9 would land us at -15. Okay, let's take a look at some more. So we've got x, y. We're going from -7, or 7, -9, to negative 8, 1. From 7 to negative 8 is down 15. From negative 9 to 1 is plus 10. Down another 15 will leave us at negative 23. Up another 10 will leave us at 11. Here, let's see, we've got 10, negative 4, and you've got 6, negative 2. So we went from 10 to 6, it's down 4. From negative 4 to negative 2, it's actually up 2. So let's see. So going down another 4 will leave us at 2. Going up another 2 will land us at 0, 2, 0. Alright. We got 10, 5, and negative 1, 0. From 10 to negative 1 is down 11. From 5 to 0 is down 5. Going down another 11 will leave us at negative 12. Going down another 5 will leave us at negative 5. So let's see, here we have negative 3, negative 10, and we've got negative 8, 4. So from negative 3 to negative 8 is down 5, and from negative 10 to 4 it's actually up 14. Let's see, so then going down another 5 would land us at negative, sorry, brain fart here, 13. Going up another 14 would land us at 18. Okay. So here we've got 1, 7, and negative 1, negative 2. From 1 to negative 1 is down 2. From 7 to negative 2 is down 9. Going down 2 more will leave us at negative 3. Going down another 9 will leave us at negative 11. So here we went from negative 10, 2 to negative 2, 5. So that is up 8. And from 2 to 5 is up 3. Okay, so see, going up another 8 will leave us at 6. Going up another 3 will leave us at 8. Now, a couple things to think about here. One is, what are you going to do if the numbers are bigger or more difficult or troublesome to work with? You can't just eyeball it and tell how far it is. Well, one thing to think about here is you can always take, if you're trying to figure how far is it from this number to this number, and is it, a positive move up or is it a negative move down? Well, all you have to do is subtract. I'll write this down for you. Okay. End minus beginning. So you take the place you end and you subtract from it the place you started at. So positive 8 is negative 2 minus negative 10. And positive 3 is 5 minus 2. Negative 9 is negative 2 minus positive 7. And negative 2 is negative 1 minus positive 1. And so on and so forth. So that way, and then if you want to find out what the next point is, well, then I just find out what my difference was, either by just eyeballing it, counting spaces, or by calculating. And I add that much more on. So 6 is negative 2 plus 8, and 8 over here is 5 plus 3. Just add my difference to the midpoint to find the other endpoint. All right. Good luck.